In the Juggle Sort minigame, which is part of the Carnival Games event in Monopoly Go, players can participate to earn extra rewards while testing their skills. The minigame is a new twist on PEG-E, where players use carnival tokens to guess the correct order of colored balls and arrange them accordingly. For every correct guess, players earn a ticket, which can be exchanged for prizes. To play, players first need to earn tokens, which can be won through leaderboard tournaments and solar events. These tokens are then used to make guesses, with each ball costing 1 token. The game keeps track of past attempts to help players avoid repeating mistakes. And if a mistake is made, the ball can be returned to its original position and the token reused. Once a correct guess is made, the ball locks into place, and players need to use additional tokens to guess the positions of the remaining balls. Each successful guess earns more tickets, and once all the balls are correctly arranged, players win the total number of tickets displayed on the screen. These tickets can be redeemed for rewards, such as flash events or dice rolls. And the more tickets collected, the bigger the prizes that can be claimed. Some rewards are visible, while others are hidden, including the chance to unlock a treasure vault containing goodies like dice, cash, and boosters. The goal is to collect as many tickets as possible to claim the biggest prizes. By playing Juggle Sort, players can have fun and earn exciting rewards in Monopoly Go.